Okay, my name is Ian Livings from Team 22. I just want to give a brief overview of what I did for this deliverable. I focused mainly on the UI design of the program. Um, I did the HTML files, I kept the same style as the example one, the web service file, and the forms, as well as some extra stuff that didn't get done, that needed to get done, and some bug fixing, but that was the gist of it. Um, we tried to model it as closely to the example as possible. I'll show the main page. It's nothing crazy. We wanted to keep it simple. I figured that made sense given that we were making this for a pharmacy that wouldn't be necessarily getting seen by the customers. So we didn't need to go for a thick client. We were fine to just do a thin client. I assumed. I think that made sense, and we wrote that in our design decisions. But this is the main page. Just as a simple login. If Since employee accounts have to be created by the manager, there's no like create account button. The manager would be actually this is in the database initialization. It's not quite finished at the time of recording this, but there's just a default manager role, which they would have to log in and create the employees themselves, which I figure is makes sense. Um, but yeah, that is the homepage. It is nothing crazy. I had never coded in HTML before this, so if you look at the code, you will see it's just really basic HTML that I then converted to Timeleaf. So yeah, I'll skip over to the main employee landing page, and we'll be right back. Yeah, so this is the employee landing page. Definitely have a bit more to say here. So this is recorded a bit before the final product, just because I'll be busy the night of. Um, But the idea for this, again, just trying to keep it as simple as possible. So the class, um, each set of like forms that you can submit are locked behind your role. So only managers and pharmacists can access like registering a patient and stuff, and only managers can access the very bottom, really far down. Embarrassing. Um, like update agent. This is manager only. So these are just simple like what are they called? Summary tables, I think. I actually forget the name. But yeah, they're all just simple like little drop-down ones you can fill in and submit. Um, and yeah, they're not functional as of recording this, but hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll be all ready to go for the end of the deliverable. But yeah, that's basically it for the UI design. I also did the wireframe and storyboards. They're in the report. Just simple, thin client, nothing too fancy with these. So thank you.